Hey there, welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, I'll walk you through how to install plugins in OBS, step by step. Adding plugins is a great way to customize your setup, so let's dive right in. And if you enjoy this content, don't forget to hit subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Step 1. First, head over to obsproject.com. Navigate to the Plugins section where you'll find a variety of plugins available. Today, we'll focus on manually installing a plugin. I'll pick a plugin here as an example. Let's say the Waveform Visualizer plugin. Once you've selected your plugin, look for the Download button. You just need to download the .zip file for the plugin. Step 2. Once downloaded, extract the .zip file, and you'll see two folders, Data and OBS Plugins. Leave these open, as we'll need them for the next steps. Now, open another File Explorer window and locate where OBS is installed on your computer. With both windows open, drag the Data and OBS Plugins folders from your extracted plugin file directly into the OBS Studio folder. If you're prompted to replace files, click Yes. This won't delete any of your existing plugins, it just merges them. Now open OBS and let's check if the plugin installed correctly. Plugins may show up in different sections depending on their type. This one is a source plugin, so I'll right-click, go to Add Source, and select Waveform Visualizer. You should see it pop up and react when you select an audio source. And there you go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.